Why women over 40 produce more cortisol? How to fix it? Cortisol is a hormone produced by the adrenal glands in response to stress. There are factors associated with aging, lifestyle, and hormonal changes that can contribute to alterations in cortisol levels. Here are some reasons why cortisol levels might be affected. Hormonal changes. Perimenopause and menopause, which typically occur in middle 40s or early 50s, are associated with significant hormonal changes. Perimenopause can start as you approach 35 all the way to 60-year-old. The decline in estrogen during this period can influence cortisol regulation. To help those symptoms, exercising regularly, aim for 3 to 4 30-minute resistance routines per week. Exercise can help manage weight, improve mood, and reduce hot flashes. An anti-inflammatory plant-based diet, rich in fruits, whole grain, veggies, and plant protein. Consider incorporating foods rich in phytoestrogens, such as soy products, flax seeds, and legumes, which alleviate menopausal symptoms. Stress and lifestyle. Women in their 40s often juggle multiple responsibilities, including work, family, and possibly caring for aging parents. The increased stress associated with these responsibilities can elevate cortisol levels. Limit processed foods, sugars, caffeine, and alcohol, as they can exacerbate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. Limit processed foods, sugars, caffeine, and alcohol, as they can exacerbate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. Practice stress reduction techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga to help manage stress levels. Sleep disruptions. Sleep patterns can change with age, and disruptions in sleep, which are common in middle-aged women, and can contribute to elevated cortisol levels. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance, affecting hunger hormones, making you feel hungrier and never satiated, and stress levels, potentially leading to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and try to go to bed at the same time. Make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide proper support. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime as they can interfere with sleep. Try to have your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed. Limit exposure to electronic devices such as phone, tablets, and computers, as the blue light emitted from screens can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Metabolic changes. Aging is associated with changes in metabolism and body composition. Cortisol plays a role in metabolism, and alterations in metabolic processes can impact cortisol levels. Chronic health conditions. More likely of developing certain health conditions, such as diabetes or cardiovascular disease, increases with age. These conditions can be associated with chronic stress, affecting cortisol levels. Another reason why it's important to practice self-care. Investing in your health with good nutrition, making time to exercise, going for a walk, staying hydrated, reducing stress, and good sleep. Adrenal function. While cortisol is primarily produced by the adrenal glands, changes in adrenal function can occur with age. Adrenal issues may influence cortisol production. Cortisol is a vital hormone involved in various physiological processes, including metabolism, immune response, and stress. Regulation. While too much cortisol due to chronic stress can have negative effects, cortisol is essential for normal bodily functions.